If, like me, you've got a sweet tooth, then you'll really enjoy a visit to this candy factory called Davidsons of Dundee. Not only do you get to see how the sweet treats are made, but you get to taste them afterwards. Yum. Here's good. Davidsons of Dundee boasts Florida's fresh citrus fruit, including oranges, honeybells, temple oranges and ruby red grapefruit. They also make their famous citrus candy from scratch. Established in the SunRidge area of Central Florida in 1967, they've been shipping the best Florida citrus to customers across the USA and Canada for over 35 years. If you're stuck for gifts to bring home to sweet-toothed friends and family, then this is definitely the place to stock up on presents. Tom Davison showcases the best of his produce in his store, as featured on the Food Network in the US.
The best-selling candy is the citrus delicacy, which is we have an assortment, and it has orange, lemon, and key lime, and it's quite tasty. Also peanut brittle and pecan brittles, chocolates as well. So very good, very delicious. You can see I certainly enjoy them every day, and we make, when the season hits, we make about 4,000 pounds of marmalade a day and about 3,600 pounds of the candies.